I'm going to show you how to create the Antisocial Social Club logo. Press T for the type tool in Illustrator. You want to find a font that is similar to this, so I'm using Trade Supply. So I'm going to type in the name all in all caps. What I'm going to do is hold Alt and Control and tap the up key to change the leading. And I'm going to press Control Shift C to actually center the text. I'm going to scale this up. Now what you want to do is go to Object, you want to go to Envelope, Distort, and you want to click Make with Warp. Now you've got all these different warp options. I'm going to left click, and what you want to do is click on Wave. Now with this, you want to play around with the settings. You want to have it on horizontal. If you go to vertical, it will be a little bit different, as you can see like that. You want to have it on horizontal and then play around with the blending options to get the desired look. So bring the horizontal up a little bit like that. 10% I think looks good, or a bit less, 8%, and then press OK. And so now we've got this logo just like that. Once you're done, you can go to Object and then click Expand to expand the text. So now it's all editable. I can pull the letters out and customize it as I want. I'm going to copy it, and now I've got the white version just like that. And I'll throw it on a t-shirt mockup, and it looks super dope. So that's how you create the logo. If you want to see another logo design tutorial just like this, check out the video on the screen.